Smile like a unicorn. FT-891. The new 3D printed side rails. Looking pretty good, I think. It looks pretty good. There's just enough space here to get your finger in there. It's got a little flex to it. Hook your finger on there and just spin. I think it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. I printed this with 50% infill, so it took 26 hours. It prints in 4 pieces. This piece, that piece, and then on the other side, it's a duplicate exactly the same as this. So you're basically going to print 2 of these and 2 of these. The one on this side came out perfect. I used heat shrink tubing to put them together. They have kind of like a tongue and groove or overlap kind of thing going on here. This one is like this, and then that one is the opposite. So they fit together perfectly. But this one on this side, this piece worked good, but this one broke here and here. So I used heat shrink to put it back together there and there. But it basically split down the middle. So this from here up is good, but this is cracked here, right across where the screw goes, and here and here. So I used heat shrink here and here, put 2 pieces of tape there and there, and I'm printing a whole nother set. So I'll have a backup. So I have one to replace this back piece, and then I'll have 2 of these extra and 1 of these guys extra. I like it. I really like it. Anyway, I found it on Thingiverse, printed it on a TiVo Tornado. Tell me what you think. Wow, look at that. We're going to shave the head today too. Love y'all. Smile like a unicorn. I'm KG4 and WE 73.